What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in this tutorial, I will tell you what you can do more from the lists. Let's deep in. Let's say you want to check what we can do with the list. Simply type Python and lists. I think it, yeah. This is the all function that you can do with the list. You should ignore these which have a underscore because these are all inbuilt functions. You have to do these function very less. So let's try from here append to this. I will show you some and other you will try yourself. Let me show you how. Simply type help list dot. We want to check what append do. Simply type append. It will show you what append do. It help on method descriptor. It is a method. You know what is method? These are methods, and this is the syntax of the. I will tell you more about this. This is the definition. Append object to the end of the list. It means it appends the object. You know objects. Self is a this. Your name of the list is called set. Self, sorry. Object. These are the objects, and you should ignore this and self. Okay, we will focus on these objects. Let me show you what it does. Simply type append append. We want to append 20 in the list. Save. Simply, oh sorry, Python. Let me copy it. Oh, what error I have got. Let me clear it. Python to 30. You can see that 20 is added here. Let's check some other. Let's see what copy clear do. Help list dot clear. I will show you some of them. Other you can try it yourself. Remove all the item from the list. If you simply put clear and print it here, it will clear all the item in the list. Let's check. Let's check index. This is the last one. Sorry. And list index removes first index. Okay, it is a method descriptor. This is the syntax of the index. This is returns first index of the value. Okay, it removes the index of the value. What index is? It is the address of the object. It starts from 0. Let's say this is index 1. I'm sorry, it is 0, index 0. This is index 1. This is index 5. Let's say if you want to check index of object 2. If you want to check the index of this, simply type this and sorry, I think we have done something wrong here. Let's try it now. whatever we have got. Okay guys, I find it, but you cannot do this. You have to print it here. Print. This is because if you simply print this list, simply print this function list, it will only print this number. And if you print this whole algorithm which we have created, it will print the following index. You can see that index of 2 is 2, and if you check index of let's say 5, let's check it out. You can see that index of 5 is 2 0 1 2. Okay, you can try other yourself, and if you need any kind of help from me, you can comment below. Thank you.